안녕하세요. I'm Gia. Today we'll be making grilled mackerel, 고등어 구이 in Korean. I just adore grilled fish. And the mackerel is inexpensive yet so delicious. The only problem is that I don't want my kitchen full of fishy smell. And it could be one of those things that makes you not want to make fish in your house. And today, I want to introduce to you how to grill mackerel at house without worrying about fishy smell at your kitchen. Sprinkle kosher salt evenly over the mackerel on both sides. And then we're going to let it sit for about 30 minutes. Let's get rid of the liquid from the fish. This is one of the key to make crispy mackerel. We need a few aromatics to get rid of fishy smell and add some flavor to it. 1 stalk of green onion, about 1 tablespoon of sliced ginger, and let's just slightly smash the garlic. We'll be using parchment baking paper to cook the fish. Drizzle 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and evenly spread it. This will prevent the fish from sticking. Then heat the pan over medium-high. Let's place the mackerel in the pan with the skin down first. Add green onion, garlic and ginger together with mackerel so that the flavor of these ingredients will slowly get absorbed in the fish. Now fold the parchment paper to cover the fish and put the lid on the pan. This method makes the fish juicy and tender. The fish has been cooked for about 5 minutes. Let's check it. Smells great. Turn it over when the mackerel looks golden brown and crispy. Then we're going to put the parchment paper on the fish and cover it again with the lid. I think it's almost done. Green onion looks wilted and the garlic and ginger were fried in the oil. Mackerel is well cooked on both sides. Yum, it looks so tasty. Okay, the fish is done. Looks so yummy. I'm going to take 1 big piece and plate it. Okay, the fish is done. Just throw the dirty parchment paper away and rinse off the pan with water. We grilled the mackerel, but my kitchen doesn't smell fishy. And today we grilled big mackerel, so I have 2 big pieces and I made a little table setting with some banchan and rice. Let me taste it. Yum! It's crispy outside, juicy inside, and all the flavor from the garlic, green onion, and ginger went to the fish, so it's so flavorful and delicious. You should try this recipe. Thank you for watching. See you again.